Hello, everybody. Hope you're having a good night. I'm having a great night actually because I finally received my Zebro Guarantee earbuds. Z-Buds actually. Yeah. So as you already know, we're gonna review them, unbox them, and yeah, 100% honesty. Okay. So this is the packaging, as you can see. Pretty cool, pretty well made. I would say so myself. Zero is really doing a great job with the packaging. This had a bubble wrap, which I kind of threw away. So apologies, bubble wrap enthusiast. Okay, we got the plastic wrap out. Let's just do a quick review on what is being said outside or what is being claimed. So quad mic with ENC. So I looked this up. I did my little research. Two types. Environmental noise cancellation and ANC, which is active noise cancellation. So if you want good music, like if you don't want outside noise, you can buy the ANC, which is active noise cancellation. And if you want good call quality, so that the listener can listen to your voice well and not outside, so you would want an ENC, environmental noise cancellation, so the environment cuts out for the person listening into the call. If that makes sense. It's a bit complicated to me too, don't worry. So there is noise reduction and better audio processing for you and the person listening in. So yeah, this one is for calls basically. It has a gaming mode, low latency, which is basically which basically means you're gonna hear the thing really quickly. Basically, I'm not great at explaining this, but basically, it is claiming up to 40 hours total playtime, which is extremely impressive. I don't think companies can just claim stuff. It probably is true. It has quad mic, which means again good call quality. Bass boosted, so everything here is boosted bass. 5.3 calls alert, so it'll vibrate, I think. Hypersync, it has type C, which is always great. Water resistant, IPX5. I also looked this up too. I am doing my research, appreciate me please. So IPX5 basically means so this is great for me. If you don't want to take showers while listening to music or go for a swim, and unfortunately you can't do that. But for me, this is great because you sweat. A light rain is there that exists too. So I work out. I know you probably can't tell, but yes, I do work out. So this is great because it's sweat resistant. Charging time is 1 hour total to reach full charge, and it says playtime up to 7 hours. On playing on 70% volume. So if you play on 70%, if the lower volume you play on, the longer it will last, which is interesting. Here goes nothing. Looks so good. All right, okay, I'm opening it. Here we go. My. Here are the earbuds. This is great packaging, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. This is fun. Okay, so there's a game mode. So if you long press the left earbud for 2 seconds, you can turn on the game mode. If you want to receive a call, you just double click on any earbud and it'll answer. Pretty cool. Whatever. This is the earbud itself. I'm gonna unwrap it right in front of you. Ooh, clean, sleek, minimalist design, if I were to say so myself. You can see the Zero logo. I'm not sure if it's zoomed. Is zoomed? I don't know if it's zoomed. Anyway, okay, wait. I'm gonna take this off. There's a warranty card. I'm trying to get it. Super icon. Come on. My goodness. Me. Please. I'm struggling. Okay. So you register your warranty, and you have a 365 days warranty, not an air. 365 days specifically. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Wait. All right. I can see the light. My bad. Ta-da! So there's a charging port right there. Type C. Always great. Alright, so kind of simple. I need to review this, right? So I'm gonna listen to some music. This is why I have the laptop here. And because of the research. I'm gonna listen to some let's see, Bruno Mars maybe? Jody? This is great. I can't hear myself right now. It's super loud. I have been listening to this for, I'm guessing, 30 minutes. I'm sorry, the time passed really quickly with this. I am a bit of a music enthusiast, so I'll be a bit closer. As you can see, it looks pretty freaking cool. I like it. It's really good. It feels comfortable. Doesn't look like it's gonna fall off anytime soon. I obviously tried calling. I called my brother. Obviously, of course, this apparently seems to be made for calling, and yeah, calling was incredible. I tried the active environment noise cancellation. I put like music on the TV, and then talked to him, and he could hear me just fine. So yeah, it does work, which is great. Hooray, Zero Earbuds. So basically, 4 hours charging time. I have not been able to test that. I have been using it for a while now. I'm guessing 2 hours maybe, and this I didn't charge this, so pretty good, I would say. And it also says that if you charge it for 10 minutes, it'll last 120 minutes. So it'll last 2 hours. Isn't that incredible? That's incredible. Are all earbuds like this? They probably are. I'm just new to this. And yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase, I would say. I'm living a really good life right now. Also, there aren't there supposed to be fires? Oh, there you go. They're inside. Okay, I missed this. So you get the buds thingy and you get Type-C wire. Great, they delivered. Alright then, let's wrap it up with the key specs. The Gravity Z Buds offer around 5 hours of playback on a single charge with up to 40 to 45 hours of total backup, including the case. And now you get Bluetooth 5.3 with HyperSync and a low latency gaming mode for smoother play. There is environmental noise cancellation. There is like active noise cancellation, but mainly it's environmental. There's responsive touch controls, and it has support for both SPC and AAC codecs. They are also rated IPX5 water resistant, so they're good to go for workouts or a bit of rain. And yeah, that's about it. I'm really happy with this purchase. Seriously, I don't know if you can tell. I'm really excited, pumped, I would say. I can't wait to use this on, while working out. Hopefully, it also said that don't use them for too long. I'm gonna try and follow these instructions. And yeah, I'm really happy. Hope you are happy with this review. Apologies. I know it's not amazing, but yeah, I did my best. And that'll be it for now. I will see you in the next video. Later.